Good morning, everyone, and Merry Christmas. It is Wednesday, December 25th at 8:35 on Christmas morning. Welcome to my channel, Relearning to Draw After Age 55, and today we are drawing a cheerful snowman on a Christmas day. So I picked the snowman because we rarely have snow here in the Ozarks on Christmas Day. I remember a few growing up, but it's typically not happening. And today it's not. It's just a dreary, gray, mildly wet day. So I've got my coffee, and let's delve into this one. So this is part of my holiday collection, my breaks from doing other projects. Currently I'm working on my coloring book. I've only got 2 pages done, and we'll get back to that tomorrow, since I did Christmas themed pictures yesterday and today. On the coloring book, we're going to take you through step by step. I know the first part's going to be tedious of creating and designing it, but after that we're going to go through and self-publish it on Amazon and see what we can do. I'll lay out the steps for you. I don't know how much screenshotting I'll do of it, but at least we'll try and make an effort to put this out there and see if we can get any sales. Coloring, you'll notice most of my pictures are black and white. For now, we're gonna be delving into color more as time goes on and I get more comfortable with it. But this is all part of the learning process. Like I said, I haven't really drawn since high school, in my mid-50s now, and boy, that's weird to say. But just picked it back up recently because of my brother. He's got a great channel where he uses stippling with his art, and he does more fantasy art than I do, which I really enjoy the fantasy art part too. But I'm just really enjoying this creating in the mornings. It helps me wake up, helps me relax and get ready for my day. So again, as always, I encourage you to pick up a hobby, whatever it is, make time for it. I get up at 5 a.m. most days. I know that's a lot to ask of a lot of people, but it does help me get started. So we are about done. Here's my final product, and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas.